Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy action cards in Torres board game. Buying action cards requires one action point per card, and in each turn a player gets 5 action points. And in one turn a player can buy a maximum of 2 action cards for 1 action point each. If you want to buy a card, draw 3 cards from your own face down action card pile and choose one of them. As you can see, each player has their own action cards pile, and they are all face down. So if a blue player wants to buy an action card, they need to draw 3 cards and then choose one of them. Let's say I want to buy this action card, and then the rest of them I need to put either on top or on the bottom of the pile, and I can choose which one to put on top or on the bottom. Let's say I want to put this one on the top and this on the bottom, but I can also put both on the top or both on the bottom as well. And since I cannot buy more than 2 action cards in the round, there can be only 2 for each round, and I cannot use them in the same round on which I bought them, so I need to wait for the next round, and then I can use that card. And to play action cards, I can play no more than 1 action card per turn, and that costs 0 action points. And I can, but I can only play 1 per round. And the description of individual cards is provided at the supplement sheet. So when you find your supplement sheet in your language, as you can see, there are different ones. And that is the English one. And here is the description of the action cards. As well as action costs and MasterCard's description. And that is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.